first we gotta go ahead and get a battery though. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get the battery and I'll talk to you guys when we get to the spot. Hey. It's not that loud, but let's get to the spot. I hope you guys can hear that, but boost is so addicting. Oh man, I never really thought I would be bringing another car here other than Brittany. So this is a pretty cool moment. Wait, the seatbelts, super weird. All right, so how do I properly start this video, guys? How do I? I feel like this is so random. Well, not random, but yeah. How am I supposed to say this? This, guys, is not a joke. I know it's April and April Fools or whatever. It's not a joke. This is the new addition to the channel, and I'm gonna go back here and just show you guys right here. This is the new 1992 300ZX twin turbo. Twin turbo. Right here. And also, we gotta think of a name for her, guys. Like on this channel, names are a pretty big thing for cars, so we really gotta think of a name for her. But yeah, Brittany's new sister. Oh man, I don't even know where to start. Alright, so allow me to properly start this video, guys. So, like I already said, this is the new addition to the channel, which is the 1992 300ZX, which is and this is the twin turbo edition. This car has a good amount of things done to it. I think I'm gonna do separate videos on everything that needs to be done for the car. Everything that the car has already been done. The engine is completely stock, nothing really crazy. But the boost, like you can hear the blow off valve, you can hear it spooling up. It's absolutely insane. Like this car, guys, from 1992. I drove it and I was like, what? Like it's insane how like everything that it has, like everything's electric inside. It's insanely crazy how good this car is for the year that it is. If you guys don't know much about this generation of the Z32, the 300ZX, they were made from 1989 to the year 2000. This is a 1992. Already said that a bunch of times. They made them with flat V6 non-turbo and then the V6 twin turbo. And yes, it is a manual transmission, bro. It's like, come on guys, come on. And the engine is a VG30DE, VG30DT30GE DTEE. VG30 DETT V6. There, got it, yes. And it is a 3.0 liter, making around roughly 300 horsepower and 200, I have it right here, 283 pound-foot of torque, which is actually as much as a 370, so yeah. But let me step back here, guys. I am so excited for this car to be on the channel, and like this is next level stuff. Like I couldn't be any more excited. Obviously we're not rich on the channel, you guys already know that, so little by little we're gonna do work to it. Already got a couple things coming in. The body, as you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys right after this, like the body and everything that needs to be worked on, just like slightly go over everything. But yeah, guys, it's not clickbait, it's not a it's not anything. This is the new addition to the family right here. I still can't believe I own a twin turbo 300ZX. I really can't believe it. The funny thing is, I wasn't even looking for these cars, but one night I was like on the Facebook Marketplace, literally just looking around. I type in 300ZX. You bros like doing fun things at night. For me, the fun thing to do is look at cars on Craigslist. Yeah, but yeah, so I couldn't find anything on Craigslist, so I was like, let me just look on Facebook Marketplace, and I found this beauty for an insanely good price. Like a very good price. I should have got it for lower because there's a good amount of things that have to be done to it, but really good price. Body needs a lot of work, but engine, very mint. Quick YouTube insider for you bros. It took me so long to get the thumbnail for the car, but we finally did it. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to tell you guys. Oh, another thing, you guys are probably wondering like, oh wait, didn't you film your trip to getting the car and all that? I did, bros, I did. That's gonna be the next video after this one. It's me going to see the car for the first time, me going to pick up the car, which was yesterday. So yeah, that video will be up on Friday. This video was up on Tuesday, next video is gonna be up on Friday. And hint hint, that's why I didn't upload a video. I think it was last Friday. This is what right here, bros. It was such a pain getting this car, guys. Like, oh, also, as you can see right there, Bumper's pretty messed up. I mean, yeah, and other things that I'm gonna have to go over. And but 3 minutes of owning the car, and I ripped the bumper. A JDM spec bumper, and I ripped it in 3 minutes of owning the car. Yeah, you guys are gonna see how that happened in the next video. I do have the lights. I do have a bunch of things that I just gotta install into the car that the owner gave me. But yeah, here it is, guys. Oh, and it came with these super clean rims. I love the rims that it came with. Super clean. As you can see right here. Woo. Hot boy, so I don't really gotta worry about rims or suspension or things like that. Just like the main things, like getting it running right. And this is gonna be a journey. This is really gonna be a really cool journey with us. Like, I'm excited, nervous and excited at the same time, but let's see what happens. But yeah, this is gonna be the new fun thing added to the channel. If you bros haven't already, or if you have any friends, actually, yeah, if you have any friends that own a 300ZX, or if you're a bro that owns a 300ZX, welcome me to the family. Let me know in the comments below. Are you guys excited for what's gonna be coming for this car? We're gonna do a lot of things, but let me know, guys. Are you excited? What do you think of the 300? Should I have gotten something else? I was looking into 240s. I was just on late night Craigslist, but I was like, everybody has a 240, but not many people have a twin turbo 300. And this good of a deal, it just didn't make sense to pass up. But yeah, what do you think of her? First thing we gotta do though, before anything, give her a name. Like I said, on comments below, let me know what should we name her. Let me know. Oh, actually, let's do a couple flybys for you bros. Just a couple, just a little taste of the twin turbo power. I really hope you guys can hear just how good that blow-off valve sounds. You guys, I don't want to show you guys everything in the interior because it looks so bad, but here's what the cluster looks like. If you ever wondered what the cluster on a 370, I mean, wow, 370, on a 300ZX looks, look what it looks like. Like, you got the little Z logo right here. You got, right there it says the PSI for the boost, and right there's the, for the oil pressure, so yeah. Also, another thing, this 300ZX has like a lot of things that were taken off that a normal twin turbo would have, like the spoiler. I know the twin turbo would have yeah, the spoiler, and then there's the, oh yeah, the little logo that says twin turbo on the back, and little things like that. I don't think I'm gonna add the spoiler, but I do think I'm gonna add the little twin turbo logo, because I mean, bro, it's like you gotta let everybody know it's a twin turbo, you know. Here's what the cluster looks like. Here's the shifter. Here's like the everything. These little panels right here are super cool. Like, I've never seen a car with this cool of, like, here you control the AC, and here you control like the cruise control, things like that. The electronics still work inside the car, and I know the car's like really disgusting, guys. Like, I don't even want to show you guys the seat. I gotta really take a day and clean everything. I got it yesterday, and it's like super, yeah, I just want to drive home. And the seat belts are like on the door. Like, this is the coolest thing. I'm just showing you guys like a little overview, but this car, so sick. And it's got like the digital display the previous owner did. But yeah, bros, this is pretty much the 300ZX and the new addition to the family. Hope you bros are excited, and hope you guys are gonna tag along and enjoy. But yeah, with all that said, bros, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are excited for what's coming to the channel with the 300ZX. But don't worry, guys, like Brittany, yeah, it's gonna be her and Brittany. But yeah, seriously, guys, thank you so much for the support. I made this investment on the channel just for you guys, just so we can have some fun, have something new, something cool to work on, something that's unique, and hope it works out. If it doesn't, then we're still gonna have fun. Doesn't really matter. But yeah, with that said, bros, can't believe I'm bringing in such a cool car here, man. This is awesome. Yeah, stay tuned. We upload every Tuesday and Friday, guys. Next video, you guys are gonna see my trip on getting the 300ZX. Pretty funny trip. But yeah, if you bros enjoyed this video, make sure you leave it a big thumbs up. Share with your friends, share with everybody, because we got a new member to the family. So let everybody know. And yeah, we'll see you bros next time. Peace.